Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. My name is Jazmatali and I welcome you all in class of O-level mathematics. Our discussion is continue on probability and combined events, and our topic is that we are discussing from some couple of lectures. Probability by tree diagram. Today lecture is also very interesting. In this lecture we will discuss a very interesting, very nice question number 21, exercise 2a, available in the new Syllabus Mathematics series 8th edition. This question states that a bag contains 3 cards numbered 1, 3 and 5. A second bag contains 3 cards also, but their numbers are 1, 2 and 7. One card is drawn at random from each bag. Display all the possible outcomes of the experiment using tree diagram. So firstly we have to make the tree diagrams of both cards. So there are the possible 9 outcomes here, because each of the bag has a 3 outcomes. First bag has a 3 and similarly second bag also has a 3. So there are the total 9 possible outcomes here. So firstly we make the possible outcomes by using tree diagram. In the first bag has these 3 possible cards. Either it is card number 1, card number 3, card number 5. So when you choose a first card from the first bag, if it is 1, then you have to choose a second card from the second bag. Now second bag also has 3 cards. So there are the 3 possible outcomes from here. The second bag card number is either it could be 1, 2 or 7, because the second bag has the number 1 to 7. Similarly, from this outcome, when you choose second card, again there are the 3 possible outcomes. The second card number could be 1, 2, 7. Similarly, when from this outcome you will choose the second card from the second bag, the card number could be 1, 2, 7. So for each outcome for the first bag there are the 3 outcomes. So that's why there are the total possible now 9 outcomes here. You can count here. The first outcome is it is 1, 1, that is both card numbers are 1 and 1. The second is 1, 2, that is the first card has a number 1 and the second card has a number 2. Similarly, the third outcome is 1, 7. From here, the fourth outcome is 3, 1. From here, the fifth outcome is 3, 2. From here, the sixth outcome is 3, 7. The seventh one is 5, 1. The eighth one is 5, 2. And the last one is 5, 7 here. Now we have to require this sum and the product of these outcome also. So I am finding the sum and the product here also, as well as what is the sum of the numbers of the first outcome. 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 7, 8, 3 plus 1, 4, 3 plus 2, 5, 3 plus 7, 10, 5 plus 1, 6, 5 plus 2, 7, 5 plus 7, 12. What are their product? 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 7, 7, 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 7, 21, 5 into 1, this is 5, 5. 5 into 2, this is 10, and 5 into 7, this is 35. So these are the sum and product of these outcomes. Next we find the required probability. Calculate the probability that the two numbers obtained are both odd. Both card numbers should be odd. This is the first part. Probability both numbers are odd. Both numbers are odd. From these possible outcomes, you have to see how many outcomes are there in which both of the number are odd. So this is my first outcome. Both of the number 1 1 are odd. This cannot be because the second number is even. This is also valid outcome. 1 7, both of the numbers are odd. 3 1, this is also possible. 3 7, this is also possible. 5 1, this is also possible. 5 7, this is also possible. So now count how many possible outcomes are here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the total possible outcomes are 6 out of 9. 3 to the 6, 3 3 the 9. The probability is 2 by 3. B part. In the second part, are both primes. Both numbers should be prime here. Probability both are prime. Now both of the numbers should be prime here. Both of the numbers should be prime. This is the first outcome in which both of the number 3 2 both are prime. 3 7, yes, this is okay. 5 2, this is also valid. 5 7, this is also valid. So the possible outcomes now are, favorable outcome are 4 out of 9. So the probability is 4 by 9 here. C part. In the C part, we have to find probability of sum. Sum is greater than 4. Sum is greater than 4. Greater than 4. Now you have to count how many possible outcomes whose sum is greater than 4. This is first 5. Sum should be greater than 4, not greater than or equal to. Sum is greater than 4. This is first 8, 5, 10, 6, 7, 12. Now count these outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the 6 outcomes out of 9. Answer is 2 by 3. Next, D part, sorry. Have a sum that is even. Sum should be even now. Sum should be even now. Sum should be even. D part. Sum is even. Sum is even. How many possible outcomes whose sum is even? The sum is even here. This is first outcome. Second, third, fourth, fifth, and also this is the first, 6. So these are the 6 outcome out of 9. That is again answer is 2 by 3. What is E part? Product that is prime. Product should be prime here. Product should be prime. Probability product is prime. Product is prime. This is E part. Okay. Now your product should be prime here. The first prime is 2. second is 7, third is 3, fourth one is 5. So these are the possible outcomes, four favorable outcomes here out of 9, 4 by 9. What is F part? Now he say product is greater than 20. Product should be greater than 20 here. Probability product is greater than 20. Now you have to count how many possible outcomes that has a product greater than 20 here. Product should be greater than 20. Greater than 20, greater than 20. This is the first outcome where product is greater than 20, and this is second. So there are the only two possible outcomes in which product is greater than 20, 2 by 9. G part, last. Have a product that is divisible by 7. Product should be divisible by 7. Probability product is divisible by 7. Divisible by 7. Divisible by 7, this is the first outcome where product is divisible by 7. 21 is also divisible by 7, 35 is also divisible by 7. So there are the three possible outcomes, three favorable outcomes out of 9. So answer is 1 by 3. So this was a very interesting problem, and I hope you are enjoying from this problem. If you find this lecture helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.